I'm Alex with Storyline Travel. At Storyline Travel, we're personal travel specialists, helping you create memorable experiences through travel. Today, we're on Celebrity APEX, and we're going to do a room tour of Stateroom Deck 6, 110, and look at an ocean view veranda, kind of a unique room. Let's go take a look. Okay, so we got here, our cards were in. We'll open that up and take a step inside. As we walk in, you'll notice that this particular stateroom is an adjoining it. There's a door here that goes to the other side. Since we're just traveling with our small family, we won't be using this door at this time. But if you are traveling with companions and you want to have connecting rooms, Celebrity does offer that option, as you can see here. Now across is the bathroom. Let's take a look. Now, like with most cruise ship bathrooms, the floor is a bit elevated, and so we do have to take a step up. Try to remember that if you go to the restroom in the middle of the night, don't stub your toe. Make sure you take an extra big step. Okay, the Celebrity bathrooms are really nice. They have a nice open sink area. It's a rectangular sink, not round, with plenty of vanity space. There are shelves on both sides of the mirror for you. And under the sink is a drawer where you'll find your hair dryer. And then a nice glass shower. It is round and enclosed, but it's not a bad size at all. You do have your shampoo, conditioner, and body gel mounted on the wall for your use. All right, let's continue to take a look around the room. One thing of note on the bathroom door is that it does have a magnetic close in addition to the lock. So you may hear a bit of a click when it shuts. Next to the bathroom is your control panel that controls lighting and temperature. So a very high-tech way of controlling your room. All right, let's talk about the lights. We have 4 options. We have morning. Notice the lights come on slowly and get brighter. Now we're going to go to evening. Notice that the lights soften, go to about half. All right, our third setting is movie. Now the lights dim a lot more, and only a few stay on half bright, where the rest of them go very dim. This will give you a better ambiance when the TV's on. And finally, the last one is sleep, and all the lights slowly dim to off. One of the things that we noticed is anything with a lip is a door hiding, in this case, shelves, and the lowers as well. And as you come around into the bedroom, next to the bed, this beautiful wall opens up into closet space. So you do have room for hanging maybe blouses or trousers, longer hanging space for anything like ladies' dresses, and then another bar down here that can be used to give you 3 spaces. We have a little vanity area. There is a safe in here for your valuables, and then 3 drawers that can be used as well. In our room, we do have robes that we can use. Just remember, if you happen to pack those robes to take them home as a souvenir, you will be charged, and it is not the cheapest souvenir. I'll be nice and leave it at that. All right, next to your bed, and we have a king setup here. We do have a bit of a nightstand with shelves here instead of drawers. On this side of the bed, there are no plugs, so be aware of that. You do have the lamp and the phone, but on the other side of the bed, we do have, again, shelves with a plug, and by the way, those light switches, which can be used to cut out the lights at night when you're ready to go to sleep. While this configuration is set up with a king size bed, you can have it split into two twins. Just realize that the floor space around this bedding area is going to get really crowded when you have two separate beds. But traveling with siblings or best friends, twins the way to go. One of the things that's really nice about this stateroom is you do have this couch here that can be used during the day for relaxing, but it also converts into a third, what they call berth here on the cruise ship. For us, we are traveling with 3 this time, so this will be used as a bed in the evening times. In addition, across from the bed, we have a nice large flat panel TV on the wall, and then across from the little sofa area, we have a vanity or work desk. I wanted to give you a quick demo of this vanity work desk area. You can pull the chair and actually push the desk in to give you more floor space if you need it. And then you can pull it back out whenever you need it to work or to put on your makeup. You'll notice the light brown colored, these are storage for clothes. 3 drawers. Really nice. Celebrity actually divides their drawers and provides a little extra division and space as well. The white here is actually your chiller. So if you, this one is stocked with a few drinks, or if you do need, there is space for medications or anything that may need to be chilled. Notice this little white box, really cool. This is where your plugs are. You have a couple of USBs, 2 US style plugs, and then 1 European. Again, if you watched our videos, we always recommend having a converter so that you can take advantage of that European plug if you're sailing out of the US. This sailing, we're actually going out of Fort Lauderdale, so we are definitely in the US. Now, I mentioned earlier that this stateroom is an ocean view with a veranda. It's a really unique stateroom, and I'm going to show you. It does have a slider. You can step out. It has a very narrow veranda style, but we also have a porthole. And so we are completely enclosed in the veranda on the back and both sides. And the porthole, half is see-through and then the other half is open. So let's take a step out. There's not a ton of room, enough to step out, set looking at your partner, maybe have a cup of coffee, and then enjoy the sea view. Again, this is open, this is not. And you're looking out over part of the ship. So this is an interesting room. I do like the fact that you can step out, get the ocean breezes, or take a look out when we get into port. But because of the configuration as this ocean view veranda, it is a less expensive room, which is nice as well. Save a little money, still get some outside time. But know that that balcony is really tight. So tell us what you thought about this room. Would you book this? Is this a good compromise for you to maybe save a little money but still enjoy that veranda? And at Storyline Travel, we believe every adventure is a story waiting to be told.